Hey everybody, Joe Workman here, and today I'm really excited to show you the new Burger Stack. The Burger Stack is, well, it is fancy animated hamburger buttons that you've probably seen all over the web, and you're like, I want that. How do I get that onto my website, right? So it is exactly what it says on the tin. It simply is a stack you add to the page. You can select the animated hamburger that you want with a bunch of style options, and you're good to go. It's easy to integrate with tons of stuff out there. So let's jump in and have a look. So there are two different burger stacks. There's Burger and Burger SVG. Basically, they both do animated hamburgers, but just use different technologies to achieve it. So instead of trying to merge them into one stack, I just did two separate stacks to kind of keep them separated and in their own playground. So as you see, each of these burgers in this demo has a different style of animation. A lot of them have closed crosses, but some of them animate beautifully into nice little arrows. Now, I'll admit the animations in the SVG ones are really eye-catching. There's a lot of movement and a lot of things going on, but it really just depends on what your style is and what you'd like to have. And using the burger stack on your page is a piece of cake. Simply drag and drop it wherever you want, and essentially use it as a button. Let's have a look at the settings of this burger stack. You simply select the style that you want. You can reverse the animation, which essentially will flip it. Mostly that's useful for the arrows so that you can have arrows going either direction. And you can preview the active state, right? So if we look at particularly this one, preview, we can see that that's an arrow. Okay, and if we reverse that, we'll see that the end result would be an arrow that points to the right versus the left. You can obviously adjust the sizing. So we have the actual sizing, the horizontal sizing, vertical sizing, padding, spacing in between the lines, the color, and you can have different colors based on the default menu state versus the active state, which is like the arrow or the close button. You can have a hover opacity. So when you hover over it, you can have alignment. And obviously, like anything, because we all love classes now, you can assign a class to this. So you can either style it with swatches or use that class to integrate it with external stacks. So I want to give you a quick example of how we can integrate this with Top Bar from Foundation 6. So here I have Top Bar, and I've set the title zone to be a drop zone in the title bar. And essentially all you then need to do is drag and drop your burger, configure it to be whatever you want. And then when we look at it, we'll see that we have a nice animated burger inside of Top Bar. So integrating the burger stack with Foundation 6 is definitely very easy. Just simply drag the burger into where you want it to be clicked. Or you can use the Foundation 6 launcher stack, which allows you to launch things like a drop zone or a light box or an off canvas, super easy. Okay. Now, integrating with external stacks from Foundation 6, there's a lot of other ways. Depending on the stack, you can integrate it with a class, or you can just use our free link stack, which then allows you to add a particular link and data attributes and all that type of stuff. If you have a stack that you'd like to be integrated with Burger and you can't get it to work with either, a class or our free link stack, go ahead and post something in the community, and we'll be happy to see if we can get that working for you. So take care. I hope you enjoy Burger. Super simple to use. It's a great little stack that hopefully adds a little bit of pizzazz to your website. So take care, go out there and make your websites great. Bye.